Welcome to Natural Healthy Cooking. Today's recipe is oats porridge for healthy heart, diabetes and weight loss. If you are visiting our channel for the first time or if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for more healthy recipes. The ingredients are oats, 1 cup, approximately 60 grams, 1 ripe banana, milk 200 grams, maple syrup or honey 1/4 cup, approximately 20 grams, cardamom 5, almonds 10 to 12, cashew 10 to 12, cut the almonds into fine flakes. Similarly, slit the cashews into 2 halves. Peel the banana and cut into thin slices. Now add oats in a pan and roast till brown. After a thorough roast, add half liter water in it. Stirring regularly, cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Now add maple syrup in it, stir, mix well and cook for another 5 minutes. If you are using honey, add it after switching off the stove in the end. Add milk and mix thoroughly. Milk provides great texture and flavor. Cooking for 2 minutes, add cardamom powder for aroma, some almond flakes for taste, and switch off the flame after 2 minutes of cooking. Now transfer the porridge into a bowl. Add banana slices, top up the porridge with cashew flakes, sprinkle some almond flakes and serve. Super tasty and super healthy. Thank you.